loves! How are you today? Masayang-masaya ako kasi kakain na naman ako kasama ninyo. And what I prepared is a burger. And later on, this video is the full recipe on how easy it is to make our homemade burger. Medyo malalaman natin kung gaano pala kadali lang at mura at at the same time kapag minsan 'di ba parang we had too much of the fast food, sometimes we want the gourmet burger and how is it so good. And yep, samahan niyo ako today, okay? Right, for our homemade burger, we're gonna need 2 pounds of ground beef or 1 kilogram of ground beef, 1 large egg, and we're gonna only be needing the yolk, tomatoes, and large white onions. We'll also be needing green leaf lettuce. And for the sauce, special sauce, we're gonna need mayo, tomato ketchup, mustard, and sriracha sauce. But you can also use hot sauce, any brand, as well as the Worcestershire sauce, salt and pepper of course, and American cheddar cheese. We'll also be needing butter and of course the hamburger buns. Alright, so let's do this. First, we're gonna have to separate the yolk from the egg whites. Yan, paghihiwalayin lang natin siya kasi kailangan natin siyang ilagay doon sa ating patty mixture. Ito yung pambind natin. And of course, lagyan muna natin ng flavor, salt and pepper. We'll be using this pepper and salt lang kasi we don't want to overpower the flavor. We want to preserve the meaty flavor of our beef. So for this, we're only just gonna be using garlic powder. Not too much, yung sakto lang. Ayan. And after the garlic powder, maglalagay din tayo ng onion powder. Yan, ganyan lang, sa ibabaw lang. Kasi may mix-mix naman natin yan later on. Right. And for this, it is important na lagyan samahan natin ng Worcestershire sauce. 2 tablespoons of it, okay? Kasi it will enhance the beef. Lalagyan na natin yun siya. Pero, depende pa rin sa inyo Of course, you can always add some more flavor. Kasi yung iba, they add chili powder if they want it to be spicy burger. So, it's up to you. Okay, so we wanna make sure na mamimix natin yung ating flavor or yung seasoning for this patty mix. Okay, so mix lang natin siya. You can use spoon, pero parang mas maganda pag nilalama siya. Para mas mahalo yung flavor. Okay. And we will add our egg yolk, yung kaninang hiniwalay natin. I-mix lang natin siya. Para lang may pang-bind tayo dun sa meat. Okay, so take our time para maghalo-halo ng maayos yung flavor. Oh, by the way, you can ask the butcher dun sa meat section na maging 80-20 yung inyong beef. Okay, so what I did here is I flattened the patty mixture and divided it into 6 equal parts. And each part is actually kasya siya sa 1 cup or 3/4 cup. So, yun. Yun yung sukat natin for each patty. So, kunin lang natin yung each equal parts. And then, we're gonna make a ball. Ganyan. Para ma-divide natin siya. Tapos, naglatag din ako dito ng parchment paper. Para paglalagyan natin nung patty. Okay, ganyan lang. Ibo-balls mo lang siyang ganyan. O teka, ayusin lang natin kasi nauusi ako. Feeling ko hindi kasi magkakasya yung 6 na patty. Okay, so ganyan lang. Okay. This is actually a good bonding for the family or kayo magjowa, you'll do a burger together, o diba? Yan. Pasensyahan nyo na medyo mahinhin ako. Pero yeah, that's how you do it. So, Eto, equal parts na siya. If you have a cup, if you want to measure it with a cup, siguro 3/4 cups or almost a cup of patty mix. Okay, so basically what I'm doing here is to flatten each patty. Ganyan, flat lang natin siya. Parang yung make sure na yung size niya is mag-fit doon sa size nung ating burger buns. Okay, ayan. So, diba parang pro na. Ayan. Cute. Yan. It doesn't really need to be perfect naman. Diba? Pero almost. Okay. So, I'm gonna need to have a spoon para lalagyan natin ng lalim yung each patty. Parang volcano crater. I don't know how I will call it. Pero ganyan. Lagyan natin ng lalim na ganyan. Ang ginagawa natin to avoid na mag-puff siya habang piniprito natin later or pag ginrill na natin later. Yan. Kailangan yan. Important yan. Top lang natin siya ng salt and pepper again para may flavor. Yay! So again, it's 80% lean meat and 20% fat. Kasi yung fat, yun yung flavor. So it's important to have fat, okay? Right, so lagyan na natin siya ng pepper. And now, magsispread tayo dito ng butter. It's important na i-grill kasi natin tong buns later on para medyo toasted siya, but pahira natin siya ng butter. Para may lasa din yung bun. Each component is important na meron siyang flavor. Para when they all come together, masarap siya. Diba? And yun yung natututunan namin sa mga cooking show sa YouTube. So, yan. So, enjoyin nyo lang yung pagpapahid ng butter. Oh, by the way, sa mga first time pa nandito, please make sure to subscribe and mag-comment din kayo later sa baba kung ano yung mga gusto nyo pang matry kong lutuin at kainin or isa-suggest nyo sa akin. Kasi I always love preparing food and cooking food as well as eating. I mean, as much as eating. And then here, mag-cut lang tayo ng tomatoes. We picked this large tomatoes kasi para saktong-sakto din siya sa bun later on kapag inassemble na natin yung ating burger. But of course, you can use naman yung medium or yung regular na tomatoes. And also, we have here the large onions. Ayan. So, we wanna make sure na hindi makakat yung fingers natin, okay? When we slice our onion. Ayan. So, mairaraos ko naman. And then, ayun. So, sabi ko nga lahat ng components dapat may flavor. So, I'm adding a little bit of salt and pepper on our tomatoes and onions. Ganyan lang. Konti-konti lang. Dash of it. And then, yun. Toss lang natin sila together para may lasa talaga sila. And it's important kasi later, i-grill din natin yung onion eh. So, dapat may flavor siya. Right. So here is our special sauce. This is a secret recipe. We will add the mayo. The full packaging ng ating Lady's Choice mayonnaise. Lalagay natin sa bowl. Then we will add our Heinz tomato ketchup. Tansyahan na lang to guys ha. Pero sige, hanap kayo ng merong mga portioning. And then we will add our mustard. A little bit of it lang kasi medyo strong ang mustard. And then we will add our sriracha or your hot sauce. This is for the heat. And yun, imimix mo lang. And then after this, titikman nyo. And then, yun, kayo na bahala mag-adjust if you want to add more mayo or ketchup or whatever. But this is magical. This is life-changing, I'm telling you guys. This is a secret recipe, but this is not so secret anymore. Okay, so now we're gonna pan grill or pan toast our hamburger buns. It's It's important, no? Dapat medyo toasted talaga para mas masarap yung ating burger. Ayan. Kanina, diba, pinahiran natin siya ng butter. So, yan. O, diba, you can see the grill marks. It's perfect. And the color, oh my God.
Wow!
Yan, that's how we want it. Pero wag niyong susunugin, ah. My gosh, we don't want a burnt burger. Ayan, tapos i-flip-flip lang natin siya. And then if you think na it's already toasted and not burned, yun, iahon mo na. And then, yun, the rest of the buns lang to. And then for the pan, make sure na preheated ang pan natin, na sobrang mainit na. And then we add olive oil. And then saka natin ilalagay yung patty. Maririnig mo yan, dapat nagsisizzle siya. Kailangan nasa 300 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit yung heat nung pan before you put in our patty or your meat. Tapos kasabay nun, lalagay mo na rin yung onions. Caramelize the onions. Doon lang sa gilid-gilid niya or kung saan may space. And, yep, while cooking this patty, we need to time it. 4 minutes lang ha, each side. Huwag natin siyang i-overcook. O yan, ganyan lang. Kailangan ko pa mag-OJT kay SpongeBob kasi hindi pa ako masyadong magaling mag-flip ng burger. But yeah, mararaos natin yan. Okay. So after 4 minutes yun na, make sure na ita-time nyo siya para hindi magda-dry yung natin, yung beef. Ayan. Perfect. On the other side pala, sa ika 3 minutes niya, ilalagay na natin yung cheese. Yun, kapag 3 minutes na, di ba, if the timer mo siya ng 4 minutes, kapag 3 minutes na, ilalagay na natin yung ating American cheddar cheese on top. Para yung remaining 1 minute is yung para lang maluto or ma-melt na yung cheese niya sa top. Okay, this is perfect. Makikita nyo ba yan? Wow. And the onions ha, make sure hindi siya mababurn. Caramelize lang. And then, ayun, takpan lang natin yung pan para mag-melt yung cheese for the last minute. So, 1 minute is up. And then, we're gonna prepare it. So, lagay lang tayo ng sauce generously sa ating bun. Yeah, first the sauce, the special sauce. And spread lang natin siya na ganyan. This is good for 3 serving, ha? Yan. Spread lang natin ng ganyan yung ating magic special sauce. And then, we will add our green leaf lettuce. Pang restaurant level to. Ayan, ganyan. This is actually fun. When I'm doing it, ang sarap niyang gawin. Parang therapeutic siya in a way. And then you add your tomatoes. Ganyan. Para ka na nagde-design. Napalitan natin kasi mas okay yung isa. Okay. And then our caramelized onion na sobrang masarap at mabango. If you're here in the room right now, talaga maamoy mo and matatakam ka na. There you go. So, ayusin mo lang yung proportion niya, yung tingin mo aesthetically beautiful ng iyong burger. Then, you do this and add your patties. Ayan na, yung ating moment of truth. You see the cheese on top? Diba? Tamang-tama yung pagka-melt niya. There you go. And of course, yung ay, hindi. Yun, lalagyan muna natin siya ng asin ulit at saka ng pepper just to add some flavor. Ayan. And then yung top bun, spreadan lang natin yan ng sauce, of course. But you can always add ketchup or mustard, depende sa preference nyo. Ayan, ganyan. Ayan, tapos top mo lang ng ganyan. And we're done. We're basically done. Diba? It's as easy as that. Perfect. So here's our gourmet homemade burger. Let's eat! homemade burger and I'm so excited to finally try it. So, wag na nating patagalin pa. Let's dig in! Okay. So, I'm just wondering kung kakasya ba ito sa bunganga ko, but let's see what's gonna happen. I can't, but oh my god, it is so good. And can you see the juice coming out of it? Is it? Focusing?
Wow!
It's so juicy, guys. Oh, you see? Dali lang. Para ma-appreciate nyo. Nagpo-focus ba?
Wow!
Can you see that? Oh my god. And it's all welcome in my mouth.
I believe I can fly.
And the secret special sauce that we made is such a spot on. Parang kumain sa... Mas masarap pa sa Burger King, I'm telling you guys. So you should really try it once in your life. Although I know na mas madali naman talaga magpa-food panda na lang or bumili. Pero this is something na you should really try at least once in your life. Okay. Oh my god. Ah, it's so good.
I believe I can fly.
And the caramelized onion really adds to the totality of the whole experience. This is not just a food trip, it's a whole experience talaga. Okay, it's so good. And you should cherish each bits and pieces of this because, of course, first, we don't want to waste our food and also, every bit of it has a flavor. Kasi diba, if you remember, halagang naging generous tayo sa paglagay ng salt and pepper and make sure that everything has a flavor. And I really appreciate na hindi tayo masyado naglagay ng kung ano-anong flavoring dun sa ating patty mixture. And that's really makes the whole meaty flavor nung beef. And masarap kasi talagang nalalasahan mo na quality yung beef. And it's not that greasy. It's so good. Ito yung pagkain na kahit masira yung voice ko, keber na. Basta lang makain ko siya ng tama. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed it and I hope na i-try nyo to once in your life. You should share it to your friends and your family and all to your loved ones. And maganda rin tong bonding with your barkada or your jowa. But guys, you can actually add some more of the sauce. Kung gusto nyo, kung may sobra pang sauce, pwede pa kayo mag-add. Or ng sriracha if you want some more heat. Or ketchup. Ikaw na yung bahala. At least lang, ikaw na yung bahala mag-adjust. Kung depende sa flavor mo. Or sa preference mo. And what could be more perfect to pair in ba sa burger kundi yung soda. And this is guiltless kasi no sugar to eh. No sugar na Coca-Cola. So, i-justify pa natin, ano? Alright, that's it. Thank you so much for staying with me and eating with me today. And don't ever waste your food. Enjoy today, carpe diem, and today with RJ. See ya!